It's about noontime and I'm heading out to another campground about an hour south of where I live. Today my wife is out pacing a friend of hers in the Black Canyon Ultra Marathon that's going on today. So I figured, why not, instead of sitting at home, let's go camping for the night. So I am on my way to a place called Painted Rock Campground. Again, I said it's south of here, so it's like towards San Diego from Phoenix. So I saved some time by not filming me packing up or packing the truck or going to the grocery store on the way out. So we're just hitting the road. Oh, it's also Valentine's Day, so I might be sad and lonely. This town is called Gila Bend. Just a small little drive-through town as you're going south. Alright guys, we just found a good spot here. I think it's huge. It's a little bigger than what I need, but there's nobody near me, so that's the closest person there, I think. It's this whole big U-turn area, so you can get big rigs in here. They got the truck up on the blocks there to make it a little more even. So you got your picnic table here, and then you got your fire ring right here. Somebody left a little bit of wood to get it started. Plenty of room for tents or whatnot. Dad, you should have came out with me this time. You could have put your big old tent right here. I'm gonna get some stuff set up, and then we'll go walk over to the Petroglyphs over there in that little, where that mound is. So later on, when it cools down a little bit, I'll chop up some of this wood. I was so excited. I got my drone batteries all charged up and whatnot, and I just looked up if we can fly a drone in here, and it says you are not allowed. Just gonna sit here, relax, have a beverage, and then we'll start walking around a little bit, show this area, and maybe look for a place to put a game cam out. Cheers, guys. Let's go take a look down here and see if we can find anywhere to put a game cam. I found a spot. It's between like two washes. Not too far from the campground, but I can see some kind of action around the ground here. And it'd be a nice place to just cradle it right between those. I think that's where it's going tonight. I'll place it out there before it gets dark. So I just got a text from my dad. My mom and dad are coming out here to visit. I'm gonna wait till they get here before I start walking around. But that was a cool surprise. He just hit me out of the blue, said we're on our way. Happy Valentine's Day to me. If you don't know yet, it's Valentine's Day. Well, I was gonna make a whole mountain house meal, but I'm not that hungry. But I didn't bring a bunch of snacks or anything, so I'm just gonna open this MRE and see if there's anything in there that can hold me over until dinner. Well, there's the meal. That's beef stew. I don't think I'm gonna eat that. Ooh, pretzel nuggets, basically combos. There's a nice snack. Some pound cake, breadsticks, some punch, some jam. Ooh, we got hot sauce. Cheers, y'all. Happy Valentine's. All right, guys. Well, I haven't checked in for a little bit, but we are, I shouldn't say we. My wife gets on me every time she watches my videos. I say we. And it's just me. I'm going to cook some sausages over the fire tonight. Nice and cool down in the mid 40s tonight. So I'm pretty excited about that. Just sitting around, listening to some podcasts. Check out the sunset. Look at that. All right, guys. So we are going to have some jalapeno cheddar smoked sausage. I'm going to cook it over the fire. And we have some buns, and I have some spicy mustard, and I have some onion, jalapeno, and habanero peppers that are fresh that I'll put on there. All right, guys, we're in the tent. We're gonna hang out for a little bit, watch a movie, and go to bed. Good morning, everybody. Well, I slept very well. It was super, super quiet out here. No noises at all. All right, guys, I'm gonna get up and make some food. I'm hungry and I want some coffee. Picked up this instant coffee from Trader Joe's. We're gonna try that today. And I got my creatine that I take every morning. I put it in my coffee. Cheers. Cheese, eggs, jalapenos, habanero, and onion. We got some hot sauce here, salt and pepper. One sausage.
Lead on chucker.
A classic jump.
Up next.
Mate. Ex-girlfriend.
This is the end of the road for this video. So I had a great time at Painted Rock Campground. It's actually pretty neat out there. $9 a day, that's with the fee. So it's $8 plus $1 for fees a day, which is super cheap, I think, for the space you get out there and having some toilets and whatnot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. If you did, please like and subscribe. And stay in motion, y'all. We'll see y'all later.